Welcome to the RD1 Getting Started video. We have the display, 2 buttons, a power connector, USB, and 4-pin cable. And if you have a USB module, that'll be in the box as well. On the back side is where we have all of our connectors. We have our button connectors, our direct ECU connector, our RTP/peripheral connector, our power connector, our USB connector, and our daisy chain connector. To power the RD1, simply plug in the barrel power connector and wire the ends to power and ground. Power is the striped wire and should be taken from a switched ignition source. For a direct ECU connection, we go from the port labeled ECU to the ECU CN2 port with the tab facing inward. For an RTP, you'll want to go from the port labeled RTP to the peripheral port on your RTP, which may need a header installed if you haven't already done so. For a USB module, you want to run from the port labeled RTP to the 4-pin connector on the USB module, and from the USB connector on the module to the USB connector on your ECU. Now for daisy chaining, whether it be with an RD1 or a regular TunerView, you'll want to hook up your main display directly to your ECU connection. Here we're showing you a CN2 connection directly to ECU. Then you'll want to run the daisy port of your main display to the RTP port of your secondary display. And finally, when you power the display, to check everything is working, this is what you should see. Once again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.